Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to enable dark mode in Robinhood. To enable dark mode in Robinhood, follow these steps. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to robinhood.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now click on Account option at the top right corner and click on Settings. After that, you will see App Appearance option here. Click on it and you will see a theme. Now click on this drop-down menu and click on Dark. And that is how you can enable your dark mode. If you want to revert back to light mode, you can simply click on this drop-down and click on Light. So that is how you can enable dark mode in Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.